Good day, folks. How are you doing today? Just out in nature, in the forest, having a rest. Forest. Really. Just collecting a few little pine cones. Did you know that the seeds in a pine cone is called an oval? O-V-U-L-E. It's funny that in nature, because don't we females have ovaries? Ovum? Yeah. So we're all connected, aren't we? And even in there's a pine cone court in a famous Catholic building in Rome. I won't mention it, begins with V. Yeah, they've got a pine cone. Why? What's the significance of a big statue of a pine cone? Because we have a pineal gland, don't we? Yeah. And our pineal gland has been called our third eye. But is it our third eye? Or is our first eye? It's amazing, isn't it? Nature. There's even a leaf, because it's autumn now and the colours are beautiful, the browns, the yellows, the reds, everything apart from green once they fall on the floor, because green is the plant's blood, called chlorophyll, and it's not flowing anymore because it's a dead leaf, because it's been disconnected from its source, the tree. So the energy that's been connected is no longer there. So it's lost its green, it's brown. But everything in nature just transforms and everything goes back to nature. The one, Neo. Neo is an anagram of one. We are at one with nature. And when you realise, like I have in my journey and my growth, yeah, like a plant grows, tree grows, yeah. When you realise you are connected to the one, with God, with Source, with the energy, you know that you are part of everything. So, as the leaves fall in autumn, it just transforms. The energy goes somewhere else. So, it's all connected. It's called a wood wide web because the roots from the trees and the plants go down into the soil, don't they? There's mycelium underneath. It's a little network that connects every root in the earth, even under the sea bed. We sleep in a bed, don't we? So when you start growing and finding out about life and nature, that's when the magic happens. We are all one. So we mustn't die, we must transform as well. Just like a caterpillar thought its life was over before it became a beautiful butterfly. Have a beautiful day and enjoy your at oneness with nature, with the Source.